We're going through a tunnel, guys. It's gonna get dark.
At meal times, I'll just have to sit away from him. Sorry.
You guys ready? Look out the window, Jack.
Stand up on the thing.
You can look out the window. Go stand up if you want. Ready?
Our vacation is going to Ashland City and going to Wellington, Canada.
That's a long tunnel. That's a long tunnel, guys.
I want to get out.
You want to get out? We're under a mountain.
Started.
We're under Missionary Ridge. Oh,
Whoa! And it's daytime again.
we're out.
Sheree, do you have like
Okay.
Levi, you don't push your leg.
All right, let's take it off.
You don't push your leg around the door, guys.
All right, guys. Go down.
Get out.
It's gonna be dark. Is the train really big? Yes. How do I say this? It won't
What
fit
did
in
you
here.
do?
You're right. Okay. What do you think? I wanted him to do. Every time I try to cut one down, so.
Little baby trees to do anything. You know what I mean? You just every level area down there could have a wall of windows going off into a deck,
We want to do that.
and then stepping down into a lawn, trees because you've got plenty of trees. Where the Bradford pears are.
Mom, can you hold his hand and we do the jumping in?
No, you're done.
Alright, all y'all get ready. Barrier City. Yep.
No, you're too little. Where's Jack?
1, 2, Izzy, 3.